What's up, guys? Check the full video for the full rundown. This is something me and my grandfather started back in 06 05 06. 52 Chevy pickup. It was a 51, I'm sorry, it was a 5 window. It sat for my whole childhood. I was born in 85, so it sat back here sinking into the ground. Nothing in it. Grandpa wanted to do Ford powered since everybody throws Chevy shit in Fords. So had a 7351 Windsor out of his old Galaxy with FMX trans rebuilt. Motor runs. I just need a 4-barrel intake, headers, update it. MSD ignition. It's a full-time convertible. That's just a top to keep the elements out. It is extended 8 inches on the doors and body. Fuel tank moved back there for a fuel cell. 54 Ford dash, Fairmont steering column, 60s Mustang buckets. What else in here? That's pretty much it. You can see everything is smooth and finished around where the top comes off. It's just temporary. I'm gonna redo it into the original shape eventually. And then we got Ford rear end, 4-linked. Bed was made out of wood. Done. Those are metal. Still good. 54 Ford taillights. And then Ford through the Chevy logo on the what was the tailgate, which will be done again in honor of him. But yeah, a little bit of welding to do, and as you can see, this thing sits so low, the hangers for the suspension literally about a 1/4 inch off the ground when she's up. So definitely getting air ride or hydraulics. Stay tuned.